Today, we're learning how to create a fast zoom transition to add energy and style to your edits. Let's jump right in. First, import your clips into the timeline and place them next to each other. Now, go to the transitions panel and search for fast zoom in the search bar. Drag and drop the fast zoom transition between your two clips. This will create a dynamic zoom effect that makes the transition between clips more exciting. If you want to fine tune it, click on the transition in the timeline. In the right side editing panel, you can adjust the duration to make the zoom effect faster or slower. Once you're happy with the transition, preview your video to see how it looks. If needed, you can experiment with different zoom transitions to see which one fits your video best, and that's it. You've successfully added a fast zoom transition in Filmora. This effect is great for action-packed sequences, travel videos, and engaging edits. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Filmora editing tips.